Paris Charles de Gaulle Airport, often referred to as CDG, is one of the most important international gateways to France and Europe. Named after the former French President Charles de Gaulle, it is situated in Roissy in France, near Paris. CDG is not just an airport, it's a vital hub connecting travelers from all around the world and playing a pivotal role in France's economy and international transportation network. History. The history of Charles de Gaulle Airport dates back to the early 1960s when the French government recognized the need for a modern international airport to serve the Paris metropolitan area. Orly Airport, the city's primary airport at the time, was becoming increasingly congested and unable to cope with the growing demand for air travel. After several years of planning, construction began on Charles de Gaulle Airport in 1966. The airport was officially inaugurated in March 1974. Its opening marked a significant milestone in French aviation history. Charles de Gaulle Airport was designed with the future in mind, boasting a cutting-edge terminal layout and infrastructure to handle the ever-increasing number of passengers and flights. Infrastructure. CDG Airport is known for its expansive and modern infrastructure. The airport complex is divided into three main terminals: Terminal 1, Terminal 2, and Terminal 3. Each terminal has its unique features and serves a specific set of airlines and destinations. Opened in 1974, Terminal 1 is characterized by its distinctive circular design and unique architecture. Designed by architect Paul Andreu, it was a pioneering concept in airport design. The terminal primarily handles international flights and is home to several major airlines. Terminal 2 is subdivided into 7 lettered halls, 2A to 2G, each serving different airlines and destinations. Terminal 2 is one of the busiest parts of the airport, offering a wide range of facilities, shops, and restaurants. It has undergone several expansions and renovations to meet the increasing demand. Terminal 3, originally called Terminal 9, is used mainly for low-cost and charter airlines. It's the smallest of the terminals but plays a vital role in accommodating budget-conscious travelers. CDG Airport is equipped with state-of-the-art facilities, including customs and immigration services, lounges, shops, duty-free stores, car rental services, and an extensive transportation network. It's also home to numerous hotels and offers various transportation options, such as buses, trains, and taxis, for travelers to access central Paris and other destinations. Services and amenities. CDG Airport provides an array of services and amenities to enhance the passenger experience. Lounges. There are several lounges for both premium and economy passengers, offering a comfortable and relaxing environment. Shopping, duty-free shops, luxury boutiques, and various stores selling everything from fashion to electronics provide ample shopping opportunities. Dining, an extensive selection of restaurants, cafes, and bars serve a wide range of cuisine, catering to diverse tastes. Hotels. CDG boasts a variety of on-site hotels, including upscale options like the Hilton and Sheraton, which are convenient for travelers with long layovers or early departures. Connectivity. Free Wi-Fi is available throughout the airport, and travelers can charge their devices at charging stations scattered across the terminals. Medical services. The airport offers medical facilities, including pharmacies and clinics, to attend to passengers' health needs. Children's play areas. CDG provides play areas for children, making it family-friendly for travelers with young ones. Airport assistance. Travelers with reduced mobility can request assistance services to ensure a smooth airport experience. Significance. Charles de Gaulle Airport is not just a transportation hub, it is a symbol of France's importance on the global stage. Its significance can be summarized in several key points. Global connectivity. CDG is a crucial connecting point for travelers worldwide. It plays a central role in global aviation networks, facilitating the movement of people, goods, and ideas. Economic impact. The airport contributes significantly to the French economy. It provides jobs for thousands of people and generates substantial revenue through various businesses operating within the airport. Tourism. As the gateway to one of the world's most visited countries, CDG welcomes tourists from all corners of the globe. It sets the stage for their introduction to the rich culture, history, and attractions of France. Trade and commerce. Charles de Gaulle Airport is a vital link in the global supply chain. It handles a significant amount of cargo, facilitating trade and commerce. Innovation. The airport has consistently demonstrated innovation in aviation infrastructure, security, and passenger services, setting industry standards for others to follow. Cultural significance. Named after Charles de Gaulle, one of France's most iconic leaders, the airport carries historical and political significance. Transportation hub. As a transportation hub, CDG connects to various forms of transit, making it accessible to millions of travelers from Paris, France, and Europe. Challenges. While CDG Airport has made significant progress over the years, it faces various challenges, including congestion. The airport often experiences congestion during peak travel times, requiring constant expansion and renovation. Environmental concerns. Balancing growth with environmental sustainability is a continuous challenge for CDG. Efforts are being made to reduce carbon emissions and become more eco-friendly. Competition. With neighboring airports like Orly, CDG faces competition to attract airlines and passengers. Security. As a major international airport, security concerns are always present, requiring vigilant measures to protect passengers and personnel. Paris Charles de Gaulle Airport is a testament to the evolution of aviation, transportation, and global connectivity. From its innovative architecture to its essential role in connecting France to the world, CDG is a symbol of progress, economic vitality, and cultural significance. It continues to adapt to the ever-changing demands of the aviation industry, making it a prominent player in the global transportation network. With its unique history, extensive infrastructure, and diverse services, CDG Airport stands as a gateway not only to France but to the entire world, representing the intersection of tradition and modernity, and a testament to human achievement. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel for more exciting content. Your support means the world to me, and it's what helps me keep making videos. Stay tuned for more amazing content, and I'll see you in the next video.